YouTube was good though. I know who it is, man. It's 14K JoshAyy. Today, man, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna be showing you how to get your girl wet. I'm gonna give you 5 places that she wants you to pay more attention to. Now, these are places that men often forget about. See, most men gonna touch the breast, the butt, the box, and the lips. You know what I'm saying? But nah, bro, I'm gonna help you out. Cause women, they get off different than us. They don't want you to get straight to the hot zones. You know what I'm saying? You gotta preheat the oven. These places here, oh yeah, she gonna appreciate this. So ladies, you're welcome. And if you're a lady watching this, go ahead and send this to your man and thank me later. And fellas, you ain't gotta tell her that I put you on. Just show your appreciation by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. All right? So let's get to it, man. Place number 1, the ear. Before we even talk about why it's good to touch the ear, you want to be seducing her with your words anyway. You know what I'm saying? Women, they get off different than us. You need to be marinating that all throughout the day. That way, when it's time for action, she'll be ready to explode. So yeah, the ear, you can touch it, you can blow it softly, caress it, kiss it, lick it, the whole 9. All right? So yeah, the ears. Number 2, the neck. You got right here up under the ear. You got right here up under the chin. You got the collarbone. You got the back of the neck. Kiss her on the neck, bruh. And switch up your angles. Don't always kiss the same spot. Don't always suck on the same spot. And it's a pro tip. Instead of leaving hickeys around the neck, leave hickeys on the thigh. I ain't even gonna tell you what. Just leave hickeys on the thigh, all right? The reason why you wanna pay special attention to the neck is because it's a sensitive area and you got different angles. You know, some places are more sensitive than others. Like some girls, the back of their neck is real sensitive. So you wanna spend extra time there. Some girls, it's the collarbone area. Some girls, is here. You feel me? And then also, think about the jungle, right? When lions hunt, or any animal, for the most part, when they hunt, they attack other animals right here. All right? So this is a real dangerous area. Feel me? Think about people that hurt people. Like when you choking them, you hear, right? So you can end somebody's life. I'm trying not to say no crazy words, but you can end somebody's life in this area here, right? So yeah, it's real dangerous. So when you're giving them pleasure in a dangerous area, whoo, man, yeah, they get them ready to go. So yeah, you can kiss her on the neck, suck on her neck, whole 9. You feel me? You can also choke her. A lot of girls like that. So choke her. Don't hurt her though, but you know what I'm saying, do your thing. Now that brings me to number 3. Another dangerous spot that you can touch on a girl is right here. All right? This is another spot where, you know what I'm saying, people can hurt themselves. Y'all know what I'm talking about. People can hurt themselves here. So when you're giving them pleasure there, you know, when you caressing them right there, kissing them right there, licking them right there, then yeah, they body gonna appreciate that. Spot number 4, the hips. Now the hips is real close to the box, all right? I know what I'm talking about when I say the box. So yeah, you wanna attack right there before you even touch the box. I hope these words don't get my video taken down, bruh. But yeah, you wanna attack the hips, all right? It's real sensitive right there as well. These are all sensitive spots. So spend extra time there before you know, go in, all right? And then spot number 5 is the back. Now, the back is so good because she can't see you, bruh. This the spot here, I'm telling you, I have to say this one for last. This is the spot. So yeah, when you behind her, kiss her high, kiss her low, kiss her left, kiss her right, and she don't know. So she don't know what to expect. You feel me? Bruh, the back, that's the one, bruh. I'm telling you. You gotta spend a little more time with your lady. Learn her body. Learn the parts of her body that she really like to be touched. Because a lot of them ain't gonna tell you. A lot of men got too big of an ego to take constructive criticism. But, you know what I'm saying, if you're doing stuff with me, I want you to tell me where you want to be touched. Teach me how to please your body. It's your body. You know what I'm saying? Tell me what you want, because I can't read minds. I can't read body language, but I can't read minds. So yeah, ladies, let your man know where you want to be touched. Teach him how to get you off. You know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all want to bust. You know, shit, we getting ours. So yeah, ladies, teach your man how to make you bust. And I guarantee you, whatever problems y'all having in a relationship, the problems ain't gonna seem as big as they were because y'all not having problems in the bed. That's one problem that y'all not gonna have. You feel me? It's all about communication. Once again, man. Tell me what you like. I tell you what I like. I tell you what I don't like, and vice versa. You know, we'll figure out new things to like together. You know, and then boom, bro, shit just gonna flow. So yeah, man, quick little video for y'all. I hope y'all appreciate it. If you liked it, hit that like button. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to say thank you. I'll catch y'all next time, all right? Peace.
Don't know why I'm still a playboy.